Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin here. In this video here, I want to show you, yes, you, how to write and type on your computer and make up to $300 to $900 a day. Let me say it again. Yes, listen, you can make $300, okay, today by typing your fingers on the computer, okay? So look, everybody pay attention here and listen, don't like this video and don't subscribe to the channel and don't comment unless I give you massive value. Does that make sense? Okay, so the site is this. And you might want to go to it right now. Textbroker.com. Textbroker.com. Listen, it is millions of ways to make money on the internet. You have no clue. It's so many, you know, and the thing is, you shouldn't be broke, okay? So textbroker.com, go ahead and go to their website right now. And guess what? It's free. It's free. All you have to do is write content, okay? And they will pay you up to $300 to $900 per day. Does that make sense? Let me say it again. You can write. Listen, my children do this. Because I'm tired of them taking my money, right? I'm a millionaire, but still, I like my millions for myself. So you can write content, okay? You can write content and you can basically make money, okay? Does that make sense? Yes. Let me show you. Let me show you how it works here. How Textbroker works. So basically here, the first thing you do is this. You register for free. You submit a writing sample, okay? And I'm gonna show you a cool way, just in case, because I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, Wesley, I don't know how to write. Okay, I'm gonna show you a cool hack at the end of this video if you've never wrote anything in your life, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Then the next thing, you have to get your rating, okay? So based off your writing abilities, they're gonna rate you, okay? Then you're gonna complete your author profile and you start making money immediately. And this is free, okay? And let me show you something else here. If you go to payment here, this is just another stream of income, okay? And I'm gonna show you a hack. If you're lazy, you don't feel like writing, I'm gonna show you a cool way to cheat the system here, okay? Just don't tell anybody that I told you how to cheat the system. So basically, depending on your rating, when you submit that, so like say if you signed up today for Textbroker for free and you want to start making money, you submit a sample, and based off how you write, your writing abilities, okay, they're gonna pay you 0 cents to 1 to 4 to 5 cents per word. See that? Okay. So let's say you get a 4 or 5 star, and I'm gonna show you a hack on how to guarantee to get a 4 and a 5-star rating, okay? So let's go to my calculator here. Give me a second. Inappropriate here, because I'm a very inappropriate guy. I'm serious. I'm just kidding. Listen, so look here. So say if you write 5,000 words, and they're gonna pay what, 5 cents per word, because we're gonna get a 5-star rating here, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. That's times 5 cents. That's $250 a day, okay? So that means if you submit something like every day, they're gonna pay you $250 based off of 5,000 words. You can write more if you want to. You can write 6,000. It all depends on how much money you wanna make. Now, listen, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you. Wesley, you are amazing. I didn't know that this site existed. See, I'm always looking and want to expose very simple ways to make money on the computer, because a lot of you believe that you have to be so smart and skilled and you have to be this internet media mogul. You really don't, okay? You don't have to be a Wesley Virgin. You can do very simple things to start making money. Listen, even $200 a day using textbroker.com, if you focus, that's about $4,000 a month, okay? If not more. Make sense? I'm sorry, that's $6,000 a month, okay? Does that make sense so far? Now, and that's it. You know, I'm gonna keep it simple. Now, how about this? Who wants to hack? How many of you are lazy? And you say, Wesley, I don't know how to write. As a matter of fact, I don't want to write, okay? I'm gonna show you this hack. Just don't tell anybody I did it, but I do ask if you like this hack that I'm about to give you, that your eyes, and you're going to be very excited that I'm going to give you, you're going to love me, okay? You're going to love me to life. And listen, no other marketer is going to do this. They're not going to show you this until you pay them like $1,000 or $10,000. I'm going to give it to you right now for free. So if you're thinking I deserve a like, you're right. And I deserve a share, a love, and a share, and a sub. I deserve you to send me some cookies. And I like oatmeal raisin cookies, okay? And some Skittles. Listen, say when you sign up for this website here, and you might say, well, you know, I don't know if I write that well. This is what you do, okay? You go to this site right here. You go to this site right here called Fiverr.com. I love this site. It's very powerful. It does a lot of great things when you're smart on how to use this. And now you're going to learn how to use it and how great marketers on the planet do it. So what you do is just type in like copywriting. Because that's all what it is. You know what I mean? Or just writing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look, writing. Article, blogs, whatever. All right. And then what you do is you just select somebody. I will write a blog post. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to hire a Fiverr guy, right? That's going to write something for you. You're going to pay him $5. Okay. Does that make sense? There's people in here there. It's like thousands of people that will write persuasive copy for you. And that's all what it is. Understand this. If you want to get a high rating with Textbroker, you need to write something that's persuasive. Make sense? So you just go to here, pay somebody $5. We do it all the time, by the way. And you just take the expert and you sit back and relax and watch a motivational video by Wesley Virgin, right? While they get it done in about 24 to 48 hours. Then you take the copy that they're going to give you, and then you go back here and you just submit it. Is that possible? Do I deserve a like right now? Go ahead and hit the like button like crazy, because that means that you don't have to do any work. Textbroker, go there now. Hey, much love. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley